Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum can enhance its performance and extend its lifespan. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth replacement process. Tools required: 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of pliers. 4. A clean cloth for dusting. Step 1. Safety first. Before starting, ensure the vacuum is unplugged. This prevents any accidental activation. It's a good idea to clean the exterior of the vacuum with a cloth to remove dust and debris. This minimizes the chance of dirt entering the vacuum during the process. Step 2. Remove the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press the button and slide the battery out. This is crucial as it ensures that there is no power running to the device while you work on it. Step 3. Accessing the trigger. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the handle. There are typically 2 screws that need to be taken out. Set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Step 4. Detach the handle. Gently pull the handle away from the main body of the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips holding it in place. Once released, you will see the trigger mechanism. Step 5. Removing the old trigger. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the old trigger. Pay attention to how it is positioned, as this will help you install the new one correctly. If the trigger is stuck, using pliers may help to gently pull it free without causing any damage to surrounding parts. Step 6. Cleaning the internal components. Before installing the new trigger, take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. A clean vacuum operates more efficiently and can help prevent future issues. Step 7. Installing the new trigger. Position the new trigger in the same orientation as the old one. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely attached. Step 8. Reattach the handle. Align the handle back to the vacuum body. Ensure that the clips fit snugly into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed and tighten them with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are secure but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Step 9. Reinsert the battery. Slide the battery back into its compartment until it clicks into place. This will restore power to your vacuum. Final step. Testing your vacuum. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Test the new trigger to ensure it functions smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the necessary tools or prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. This service can save you time and hassle, ensuring your vacuum is in expert hands. Now your Dyson SV12 is ready to go. Enjoy a cleaner home with your freshly repaired vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.